Hello, Dr. Mitchell here. I'm going to provide my accountability as an example for you to see what your accountability paper should look like. All right? You want to begin by completing your chart and putting in assignments, the grades for those assignments. If you've earned a 0, you need to put that in as well. The purpose is for you to be able to look at this chart and make an assessment as to what grade you feel like you've earned in the course. Then you're going to support that grade with actual actions that you've performed. Now I'm going to give you an example. So I would say I have earned an A as your professor, and I would have an A bolded and in large font in my paper. And I would also, you're also going to say if this is your last semester, if you're taking any other courses, etc. Look at the second bullet. And you're going to support your grade. Now, if I'm going to support my grade as an A professor, I will tell you my accountability, and I wrote it down, just as you should have been writing down your accountability all along. So the first thing I did was I opened the course early, several weeks early, and I held a Q&A for anyone who had any questions. I held four different sessions of that. And one in the morning, 2 that were early in the morning, and 2 that were in the afternoon to accommodate everyone's schedule. Then I had early submissions, and with the early submission, I was checking work early. It also was an opportunity for people to gain bonus points. I was very attentive to anyone who sent me an email. I answered them promptly. I graded the work quickly, especially the quizzes. I was very respectful, and I provided a lot of scaffolding in the course. In the beginning, there was a lot of emails. Towards the end, I kind of backed off. I did a lot of reminders in the beginning. There were a lot of YouTube videos this semester to support you in what you had to do in the class, so you could kind of look at these YouTube videos, and it can reinforce what you were reading as far as directions. So that's my accountability as a professor. And again, I feel like I've earned an A as your professor, and that's pretty much it. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to talk about all the things that you did do as a student, and maybe even any lessons learned. And so that paper is 1 to 2 pages, and again, you're supporting whatever grade you feel like you've earned in the class. And you just upload that with the chart that I provided, and everything is golden. Again, thanks for your enrollment, and have a great spring semester.